I'm different, but I don't want to give up. One day I will prove to everyone that I can do something great.
Failure is not the end, you know. It's a stepping stone to learning and growing.
I can never compare to them. They are too good.
Don't compare yourself with others. Each path has its own value.
That's right, I'll focus on my path.
Milo Cat, you have proven that no one is without value.
Thanks, I did it. I want to help you because I was once like you. We can change our lives. Success is when you can live a meaningful life, help others, and never forget your journey. You should never be afraid of failure, because failure is part of the journey. Success does not mean stopping. We must continue to learn and develop. I need time to rest and enjoy life. Success isn't just about working all day. Thanks to your old advice, I have what I have today. Personal benefit cannot be more important than compassion. I will help this family. Maybe I will go abroad to study more. And success doesn't mean I don't need to learn.